my presentation, just showing some picture and giving a little comment because of the time, and then we go to Samer to continue the new trends. So from a lot of century, Mediterranean countries used many tools to have some shade and cool weather inside and outside. So we have from Italy, we have the design of the houses there with the domes and the cupola and everything. And we have in the caves, the Mediterranean caves, and also we have in Cappadocia in Turkey. We have the ventilation shaft and the inside caves and even the worship places. And then we have the tents divided in 3 parts for work and for women. And we have in Yemen the typical traditional Yemen house with all its parts. And in Iraq, we have using the palm tree and having the reed arches and the different design of the houses. Iran, we have the wind tower, as we call it in Arabic, malkaf, and we have the blind shaded the mashrabiyah, and the ventilation inside, taking the air, the hot air inside and cool it with water in the fountain, everything in the courtyard. We have also some trials of modern vernacular architecture. We have many around the world. We can just set 1 or 2 using tires and using bottles. And then we have Nubian architecture with the vaults and using the raw material, clay material. So we had the slogan like, what a color of your city, between Mediterranean countries. Then we have architecture for a changing world. There are new trend and new trial to preserve the vernacular architecture with a new technology. The first for us, a very famous international one, Hassan Fathi. He related environment with construction material and craft. So he used the aspects of sustainability in the 60s. So, and he had a lot of projects. I'm going fast for the time, okay? So, and we have some a trial project I did work with in some Mediterranean countries. We had a trial in Algeria of low energy building that is trying to design and respecting the sun pass for the shade and the position of the windows, and also using the power of the sun, or also to use it as heating inside. Another thing, using the isolation with styrofoam to increase the temperature inside the houses. So we can have, like sandwich panel, we have bricks from the 2 sides and we have styrofoam inside. Another trial was in Lebanon. It's just the management of power, of management of energy. So we are letting some appliance work and we stop the others. This is just save power energy inside building. In Sharm el-Sheikh, we had a center of environmental study with solar cooling. There is a fluid just giving the, when it is heated by the sun, so we can use it to have the power to let the air conditioning work in every room then. This is the simplest idea. In Sakhnin, there is a center, we have it with the traditional and the updated technology. So they used the construction material from the side, they used the malkaf, as I told you, the wind tower to capture the ventilation inside the building and let it through the building, the flow of the air till the court, and they use also the solar cell. Last thing, the geothermal analysis, geothermal energy. This is using the energy from the earth. As the earth takes the heat of the sun, about 50% of the heat of the sun, and restore it, so we can use it afterward. I think it was a depth of 2 meters as a renewable source of energy. Now, first, I think there are also other ideas, but I will, the final, I just think all of you. I appreciate my presence here. I thank President Trapani, Massimo Trapani. Yes. I think I'm delighted to attend this conference and meet all of you. And this is Samer. I think this is New Mediterranean Contemporary Style. He will continue about the trial of education, okay?